haven't got internal skeleton. All animals are oviparous. They are born from eggs. There are 6 groups. First, sponges. Second, echinoderms. Third, jellyfish, anemones, and corals. Fourth, mollusks. Fifth, worms, and sixth, arthropods. Sponges have a simple invertebrate animals. They can move and they live in the sea. Their bodies are full of holes, and their skeleton is made of spiky fibers. Echinoderms have spines. They live in the sea. Starfish and sea urchins are examples of echinoderms. Jellyfish, anemones, and corals have a soft body and tentacles. Mollusks have a soft body and are most of them. Examples are squids, clams, mussels, oysters, and octopus. Worms have a soft and long body. There are earthworms and sea worms. Arthropods. They have a soft body, and there are a soft body and half body and articulate body, articulate shell. Groups of arthropods, insects, ant, ladybug, fly, arachnids, spider, tarantula, scorpion, crustaceans, lobster, and crab. And myriapods, centipede.